and welcome. Very excited to have you here today. Got a very special show. It's a little dark, very cloudy sky today, but we'll try to muddle through. Our episode today is about the autumn harvest. I can think of no time more beautiful in Michigan than the autumn harvest. As you can see, we have just a small example of some of our bounty before you. And how we are planning to celebrate our autumn harvest today is with the new lineup from Subway for fall. They have a few new items to celebrate this most joyous of seasons. Please, won't you join me as we sample these wonderful items offered to us from Subway. Okay. Hi. This is the Harvest Turkey Ham Sub. And I'm excited about this because it is served on sunflower crunch bread. And boy, there's nothing more exciting in life than crunchy sunflower bread. And it also has a DJoli, I think they call it, which I'm guessing is Dijon mustard and aioli. But there's a first look at your Subway Harvest Turkey Ham Sub. Let us partake, shall we? It smells lovely. And it is lovely. It's a combination of spinach and onions and their new DJoli sauce, ham and turkey. But what really brings it together is that sunflower crunch bread. You get a look at that? All right. And this is I got a 6-inch because I'd like to watch my figure. And that was $4.50. Just lovely. But I don't want to eat too much. Because I have something else to try. And this may not have the sunflower crunch, but oh boy, gosh dang it. Yeah, sure, you betcha this will be pretty exciting. This is the Turkey Apple Club Wrap. You heard me correctly. There's apples in here, and that's good. You'll see some spinach and onions. And it also has the DJoli, whichever that is, whatever that means. Yeah, it looks pretty tasty. And I believe this is a tomato basil wrap. These are Subway's 2 new sandwiches for the autumn season, if you are feeling autumnal. Okay, let's give it a try. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Wow. I don't want to get too excited. I think there's bacon and cheddar and turkey in there. But the most amazing thing is you hit a nice crunchy piece of tart apple while you're eating all the rich turkey and bacon and cheese. that nice piece of apple really wakes it up. I was nervous about this one. This is excellent. I enjoy the wrap. That's really good. You got the smoky turkey and bacon and the cheddar, but out of nowhere, there's big chunks of green apple in there. Ah, it really, really adds something. That is unique. Boy, I like that. I'm going to get that again. I'm trying to show you. Everything's being slippery. It's not a green apple, actually. That's a piece of apple that's in there. You see that? Wow. Sorry, I don't want to get overly excited. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Subway's new autumn harvest. If you have time, get out there, pick those last few tomatoes, those last couple peppers hanging on the vine. Don't let them go to waste. The squirrels will get them. So, thanks again for watching this episode. We hope you learned something. I know I did. These are both excellent. I'll give them a zang. This is a 6-inch Harvest turkey ham sub, and it comes on the sunflower crunch bread with the DiGioli, and it's really good. And this is the turkey apple club wrap. Absolutely excellent. This is $6.99. Get out there and do some gardening. Say hello, little brethren.